So you will select a technology pioneer of your choice, and you'll make a Facebook profile page for that technology pioneer. And you'll start by adding pictures and words onto the template to make it look like their Facebook profile page. So basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to be showing me you know how to change text by selecting the words and selecting the A up in the toolbar and changing the font color. Maybe you want to change the font size. Again, you'll have to select first, and you'll select up in the toolbar and select a size of your choice. And maybe you'll want to change the font style, which again you have to select first. Alignments you can select up in the toolbar as well. And you want to maybe change the different colors of the different category names. You're basically going to just show me that you know how to change text color, text style, that you know how to align things, that you know how to use B for bold. And you're going to be adding images by going under Insert Image, Search the Web. And you're going to select an image of your choice and double click on that image, and it'll show up on the template. And you're going to click on the picture and hit the third little button underneath the picture so it becomes draggable. And you'll want to place the picture. It's going to take practice, and it's going to take a couple of attempts here to place the picture in the first column. You may want to reduce the size of the picture so that you can drag it into place. And again, it's the third button underneath the picture to make it become draggable. Also, the top of the second column is a post that your person will post on Facebook. You're making it up. You're making up something that you think they would want to say on Facebook. So you're going to start with a picture of them, and you're going to click under Insert Image, Search the Web, and you're going to put a little tiny picture of them in column 2 and reduce it so that it fits all the way up at the top. You're going to double click on a picture of your choice, and then you're going to hit the third little button when you click on the image so that it becomes draggable. You're also going to reduce the size significantly so that it's small because you're going to be making a post. Again, you want to make sure you hit that third little button underneath the picture, and it may take several attempts to get it to become placed in column 2. If you mess up, you can always hit undo. Also, the horizontal line that's below the post is insert horizontal line. That will draw a thin black line underneath the post to separate your fake post from the information that you're going to type below. So you're basically going to make this look like my example that I have posted in Schoology, and you're going to make it your own for your digital technology pioneer. And if you're going to look up and research the information on all of the information, and if you can't find something like favorite book or favorite music, pick the decade of that person and put that decade for favorite books and music, or put your own favorite book or music. I'm really not looking at what information you put down. I'm just looking to see that you know how to change font style, font color, font sizes, etc. When you're finished with this assignment, submit this into Schoology.